Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a gorgeous Chlanel to show you today. So I'll talk you through the features of this Chlanel. So we've got quilted pinky, like kind of nudie coloured leather. And then we've got leather and chain straps, that kind of iconic leather and chain plaited looking Chlanel strap. And the hardware on this bag is my favourite part about it. You can see that it's got a mix of all those colours. So we've got the kind of shiny silver and then the dark kind of antique-y looking silver as well as the gold. So that kind of mix of all the colours is really cool. And then we've got this super cool CC kind of chunky zip pull as well, which I really like, for that zip top closure. So I'll open it up and show you inside. So inside we've got one zipped pocket, and then we have also got on the opposite side two more little flat pockets there and there. The date code for this bag, I don't think I'll be able to show you on the camera, but it's just in that bottom corner on a little tag just down there, and the date code is 24, making this a 2017/18 Chlanel. And then we've also got a little key strap in there as well. The condition of the Chlanel we've called very good all around. You can see that it is just in gorgeous condition. There is a few marks along this leather base here. You can see kind of some indentations along the base as well. And that's why we've called the exterior very good. Again, the interior and the hardware we've called very good. They're in beautiful condition, but you can just tell that it's not brand new, but in very, very beautiful condition. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags like this one that we have to show you. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've just got the Chlanel dust bag with this one. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to the Chlanel. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, that means it has sold. But what you can do is let us know that you love this. We'll get you on our request list, and then as soon as we get in one like it, we'll send you through an alert with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So those really cool kind of mix of straps there. It sits really nicely on me. So it's quite a long strap. But yeah, it is very cool. So again, for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse to our website while you're there, and don't forget to sign up to our newsletter, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, and you can use that code on your first purchase with us. And have a look at the How to Sell With Us page if you've got any gorgeous bags like this one that you'd like to sell with us. All the details you need to know are on that page, so have a look, and I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.